welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, I want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie E. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
For me, the question called Hagia Sophia, because I am the Holy Wisdom of the Francis Nyaman Institution.
Because I built a great work of the system busy for today, battle coming for chemical that is meant to kill all sickness within the human stomach as zombie.
Hello. Okay. That's why I'm going to mute you for a second. Hello, everybody. Welcome again to another day of mathematics jamboree. If you are here for entertainment purpose, we say welcome. If you are here for educational purpose, we say welcome. If you are here to support the students, we say welcome, and would like to send a big thank you out to the schools, to the parents, to our coordinators, and to everyone that is making this program to continue to be successful. We'd like to welcome you to the semi-final day. Today, there will be 2 games. And the first game of the day, which the schools are in studio, we have the Jimmy Jolocon High School versus the DRIMS school system. Jimmy Jolocon High School comes from Montserrado County, and the DRIMS school system comes from Bassa County. Let us now move over to Jimmy Jolocon High School to give us 30 seconds of introduction. Jimmy Jolocon, 30 seconds. Thomas, can you please share the link? Please unmute yourself, Jimmy Jolocon. Please unmute yourself.
Representing the Jimmy Jolocon High School, I am student Accuracy Van here because of my transformation in writing putting people refer to me as Mr. Quet. But because I decided to dedicate this mathematical onto my mother, I prefer to because mathematical orita. I will need a mathematical orita course.
DRIMS school system, Bassa County. You have 30 seconds to give us an introduction.
Thank you for giving me the time, Fedran, representing the boys and girls of the DRIMS school system. I'm student Peter, boss of the second. I'm known in the field of question as Matisa, that is the decimal fraction about n logarithm. What today mass, I remain constant.
All right, Matisa. Okay, thank you. Thomas Tabe, can you hear me? So, guys, we don't need to worry too much about the rules. At this stage, you already know the rules. 1 minute for a question. You can solve in 5 seconds or 10 seconds, regardless of how you solve. When you decide the answer, you have 10 seconds to answer. You don't have a minute to answer. You have 10 seconds to answer. Jimmy Jolocon, what's your quorum?
I get the name Lodgeman Corridor.
Yeah, but I've been seeing this way before we launch live. Can you ask the coordinator to find another location for you in the building?
Yeah, I mean getting quick.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, please bear with us. This game is about to start. DRIMS school system, please bear with us. We need a space of quietude. This is mathematics. Thomas Nabe, are you there?
Hello, you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Okay. Yeah, so we're trying to get we cannot play on this condition. Thomas, while we wait, the coordinator to take care of the noise, can you kindly let the audience know what to expect today and when is going to be the final based on the winners and losers from this game?
So, to the folks out there that is following this wonderful program, I want to say you are highly welcome again to the semifinal or the first game of the semifinal for this wonderful bowl games. We are in the mathematical bowl game and we have progressed to the semifinal. However, we have two games to be played on today. The first game we have Jimmy Jolocon and Dream School 16 in studio. In the second game of the day, we expect to see College of West Africa for short CWA and that of National Valley Massacre. So CWA is from Montserrado County, National Valley Massacre is from one county. Likewise, Jimmy Jolocon is from Montserrado County and Dream School System is from Bassa County. After this game, the two winners will progress to the grand final, and the grand final will be on tomorrow. Grand final will be on tomorrow. The first game that will be played tomorrow will be the third play match. That is the two losers from this game will play the third play match tomorrow around the hour of 3 o'clock p.m. And the grand final will be at 4 o'clock p.m. So these are the events for today and tomorrow.
All right. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you. So let's go into the game. Jimmy Jolocon, what is the boosting point?
J.
Dream School System, what is your boosting point?
D.
Okay, Dreams, Jimmy Jolocon, please call the coordinator 1 second. Please call the coordinator quick.
The coordinator went to go and get some earphone for me to use because the men are making noise there are super very. I hope we are about making noise there.
Yeah, still we can't wait. We'll have to read. We can't wait. We're dealing with time. We'll have to start reading. Thomas, are you set?
Oh. Hello, Jimmy Jolocon, are you hearing us?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're hearing us loud and clear.
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay.
James,
Yeah,
can you
sure.
hear me?
Yeah, Vedan.
Yeah, guys, we're about to start. We don't want any excuse, so please pay attention. The question is number one. There are 20 rows of seats in a concert hall. 25 seats are in the first row.
The film go.
So folks, if you are just joining us, I want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter. We have two schools, or we expect to see two schools in studio. For now, we have Jimmy Jolocon and we await Dream School System to rejoin. This is the first semifinal game for the MAP West Bowl Edition 2024, and we await Dream School System to join. This game is between Jimmy Jolocon and DRIMS. In the next game, we have two other schools, that is National Valley Massacre from Bon County, and we have College of West Africa from Montserrado County. Folks, will go on a short break as we await Jimmy Jolocon to join with us. Thank you. So folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, I want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie B. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
We started that the volume by a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature. The cabin temperature provided that pressure is constant.
provided the pressure is constant. And what is the answer?
Take Charles law.
Charles' law is precise for 10 points.
The closeness of a measurement to its accepted value that of a particular quantity or the physical quantity is referred to as what?
If I may understand your position.
Check accuracy.
Accuracy is correct for 10 points.
So for stream school system is back. We gave them a meaning there to settle up. Stream school system, are you hearing me?
Yeah, I hear you, Ferdinand. I hear you.
Hear me? Okay.
Are you
That's
set?
it.
Dreams, are you set?
Yeah.
This is a tree. Once I start reading, I cannot stop. Are you set?
Yes, Ferdinand.
This is Smith Thunder.
The question is number one. The question is number one. I repeat the question.
If you did,
Yeah.
The question is number one. I repeat the question. There are 20 rows of seats in a concert hall. 25 seats are in the first row. 27 seats are on the second row. 29 seats are on the third row, and so on. If the price of ticket is $32, how much will be the total sales for a concert if all seats are taken? I repeat, hey, my friend, hold on. Dreams, I will repeat the question. Stop yelling.
Okay.
Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm reading the question. Pay attention to reread the question. The question, I repeat the question.
Okay.
There are 2 rows of seats in a concert hall. 25 seats are in the first row. 27 seats are on the second. 29 seats are on the third, and so on. If the price of ticket is $32, how much will be the total sales for the concert if all the seats are taken? How much will be the total sales for the concert if all the seats are taken? Your time starts now. You got 30 seconds.
T.
Dreams.
Yes. The answer here is nothing else but 633.
633. You're wrong. You're wrong. There are 20 rows of seats in a concert hall. 25 seats are in the first row. 27 seats are on the second row. 29 seats are on the third row, and so on. If the price of ticket is $32, how much will be the total sales for a concert if all the seats are taken? 10 seconds. Answer. 10 seconds.
Yeah, take $2,816.
Come again with your answer. $2,816. You're wrong.
Yeah.
$2,816. You're wrong. $28,160. Jimmy Jolocon, what happened to your zero? $28,160. $28,160. The question calls for an arithmetic series or sequence. Your setup, the total seats should be equal to 880. 880 times 32 is equal to 28,160. Questions number 2. Questions number 2.
Yeah.
A cycle has a radius of 5. A cycle has a radius of 5. The sector of this cycle has a central angle of 72. What is the perimeter of the sector? The cycle has the radius of 5. The sector
T.
D. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Yes. The answer here is nothing else For chess,
7, 8, 9, 10. Time 1.
72. Sergeant, the
Time
answer
2. Time 2.
is 2 power plus 10. 2 power plus 10.
2 power plus 10. Teach me.
Yeah, so there is a perimeter question involving a set of a sago and a set of a joint into the sago. A perimeter formula says, because a perimeter formula generated from in the sago, it says P equal theta over 360 times 2 pi r plus 2 r, where r is the radius. So you get the radius at the center, which is 72 degrees. So plugging it in theta value, we get P equal 72 degrees over 360 times the radius is 5. So 2 times pi times 5 plus 2 r, which is 2 times 5. So P now will be equal to 72 degree, cancel degree, so be 72 over 360 times 10 pi plus 10. And we move again, we say P will be equal to 72 times 72 times 10 pi, 70 pi. 72 times 10 pi, 720 pi. All over 360 plus 10. So P will be equal to 720 over 360, 0, cancel 0. Or 36 into 1 time, 36 into 722 times. So we get 2 pi plus 10. In a simpler form.
Question is going to be number 3. And this is how Dream School System has its first 10 points. Question number 3. Everybody loves football in Brazil. Everybody loves football in Brazil. The probability of owning no football in Brazil is 0.042. The probability of owning one football in Brazil is equal to 0.176. The probability of owning 2 footballs in Brazil is 0.306. The probability of owning 3 footballs in Brazil is 0.283. The probability of owning 4 footballs in Brazil is 0.148. The probability of owning 5 footballs in Brazil is 0.0041. What is the percentage of households that have at most 2 football? What percentage of households have at most 2 football? I repeat the question. You must take one time. Everybody in Brazil loves football. The probability of owning 0 football is 0.042. 1 football is 0.176. 2 footballs 0.306. 3 football is 0.283. 4 football is 0.148. 5 football is 0.0041. What percentage of household has at most 2 footballs?
You have 35 more seconds remaining.
J.
Jimmy, Jolocon, you have 10 seconds now. 1, 2, 3. Jimmy, Jolocon, are you there?
Take 52.4%.
Jimmy Jolocon, I don't know math. Teach me.
Yeah, Virgin, you give the probability. It says the probability of no football is 0.42. The probability of 1 football is 0.16. The probability of 2 football is 0.306. And the probability of 3 football is 0.28. Or to call the whole question short, it says at most 2 football, which means the highest will be 2 or it should be less than 2. So the outcomes there will be the probability of 0 plus the probability of 1 plus the probability of 2. If I add all, I'll get the total of 0.52. 0.52, I won't get it as a percent, it will be 0.52 over 1,100, which will give me 52.4%.
Ladies and gentlemen, today is math days. We have some of the finest math students in the nation, Liberia. And the score is Jimmy Jolocon, 10 points. Dream School System, 10 points. Yes.
Can
you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Very facing sure telling what issue. Yeah, I hear you now.
Yeah, James, you answered the first question, my man. You answered the first question, yeah, on that technical issue. You answered the first question on that technical issue. Don't do that. Just let's continue to
Okay,
manage.
Sergeant.
We'll manage. And that's how we come to the end of the first 3 questions. Thomas Tape, over to you.
And that's how we come to the end of the first 3 questions. Folks, if you are just joining us, this is a wonderful game. Almost everybody is saying this is the final before the final. But we don't control the future controls itself. Without much time to waste, we'll move on to the next 3 questions. The question is question number 4, quite hard. And I read for both schools. Are you guys hearing me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The question is question number 4, and I read. 5 years ago, a father was 3 times as old as his son. 10 years from now, the father age will be twice the son age. How old are they now? I read again. 5 years ago, a father was 3 times as old as his son. 10 years from now, the father age will be twice the son age. How old are they now?
Please repeat. Please repeat.
J.
Jimmy Jolocon, you have 10 seconds. What is your answer? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, take 20 years and 50 years. 20 years and 50 years.
And 50 years.
20 years and 50 years. 20 years and 50 years.
20 years and 50 years. Hey, I'm deeply afraid. But what will I do? Please teach me. Teach me. I want to learn. Teach me.
Yes, Sergeant. Yes. You said 5 years ago, our father and our son, you talk about our ages. And we know age problem, if you saying ago, it means there should be a decreasing in both of the age. So first of all, I learned one of the age to be represented by X, and another one will be represented.
Jimmy Jolocon, the network. So, folks, if you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter. We have 2 schools here, both hail from one hail from Montserrado and the other is from Grand Bassa. We have DRIMS school system from Grand Bassa County and Jimmy Jolocon from Montserrado County. We have 10-10 now. A question was answered, but it has to be proven before a point is given. So we await Jimmy Jolocon to come and prove this question before we can give the point out. So Jimmy Jolocon, this region. Jimmy Jolocon, are you hearing me? I'm hearing you.
Yeah, I'm getting. I said I represented one person age to be X and another to be Y. So you said 5 years ago, so I have X minus 5 and Y minus 5. And you said the father was 3 times the son. So I said X minus 5 because of 3 times, and this will be Y minus 5. So I have X minus 5 because of 3Y minus 15. If I want to get one sum or one equation, I'll say I'll convert that equation to X and Y and say X minus 3Y because to ascend the minus 5 plus usually I'll get minus 15 plus 5, which will give me minus 10. So I call that equation 1. Another statement is 10 years from now, which means or increasing of 10 to over the 18. So be X plus 10, Y plus 10. So X plus 10 will be equal to 2 times Y plus 10, which is X plus 10 will be equal to 2Y plus 20. If I get another equation there again, will be X minus 2Y is equal to 10. If I solve them simultaneously.
Stop. You have 2 equations. The next one, anyone can solve a simultaneous equation into variables. So for that, you take 10 points. You don't have to continue. You have 2 equations there, and that's what I was looking for. Take 10 points. The question is question number 5. I read for both schools. Jimmy School System, are you hearing me?
Yeah.
Jimmy Jolocon, are you hearing me?
Yeah.
The question is question number 5, and I read for both schools. Question number 5. Find the limit. The root of x minus 1. Minus 1 is not one of the roots. The root of x minus 1 or over x minus 1 as x approaches 1. Find the limit of the root of x. The root of J. Jay, what is the answer? You have 10 seconds.
Yes, yes. My answer for free is 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2.
One over two. Teach me, teach me. I want to learn. Teach me. I really want to learn. Teach me.
Yeah, Virgin. Yeah, Virgin. You said the limit of the square root of x minus 1 or over x minus 1 as x approaches positive 1. And now, first of all, this is the rationalization method I'm going to use. So if I rationalize, I need to get the conjugate of the expression, the root of x minus 1, which will be the root of x plus 1. Multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the root of x plus 1. In the denominator, I have the root of x minus 1 times the root of x plus 1, which is giving me or exact expression for a square minus b square is equal to capital B a minus b equals to another will be a plus b. So if I simplify that expression, I'll get the root of x equals to square minus 1 square. So it will be x minus 1 or x minus 1 times the root of x plus 1. But I'm seeing x minus 1 and x minus 1 equal. That is both in the numerator and denominator. So x minus 1 and x minus 1 will be cancelled out. So I will be left with the limit as x approaches 1 or the limit as x approaches 1 of 1 or the expression the square root of x plus 1. Plotting 1 directly into the value for x, I'll have 1 or the square root of 1 plus 1. The square root of 1 is 1. So I have 1 or 1 plus 1, just give me 1 or 2 or 1 or half as my answer.
And now, total. Free calculus. This is called limit. Free calculus and now total 1 over 2 gave you 10 points. 10 points. And that was question number 5. First half. The question is question number 6. Dream school system. Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Children Jolocon, are you hearing me?
Yeah, baby, I hear you.
The question is question number 6, and I read for both schools. The average of 5 numbers is 18. If one number is 22, what is the sum of the other 4 numbers? I read again. The average of 5 numbers is 18. If one number is 22, what is the sum of the other 4 numbers? I read for the last time. The average of 5 numbers is 18. If one number is 22, what is the sum of the other 4 numbers? Jay, as in Jimmy Jolocon, you have 10 seconds. What is the answer? 1, 2.
Yeah, take 68. 68. 68.
68. 68. 68. Teach me. I want to learn. Teach me.
Yeah, Pedro. You said the average of 5 number is 18. And now, in mathematics or in algebra, to find the average of a sum of number given S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, it will be equal to the sigma or the sum of S1 plus S2 plus S3 all divided by the total, which is n. Now, I'll have S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 all divided by the total, which is 5, is equal to 18. If I put multiply, I'll get S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 is equal to 18 times 5, which will give me 19. Now, you see one of the number is 22, so I assume S1 will be 22. The remaining 4 there will be 22 plus S plus S2 plus S3 plus S4, which will be equal to 19. If I send the 22 across, I get the remaining 4, which is S2 plus S3 plus S4 plus S5 is equal to 19 minus 22. 19 minus 22 will give me 68. So the sum of those other 4 numbers will be 68.
The sum of the other 4 numbers will be 68. That gave you 10 solid points. 10 points. And folks, that's how we come to the end of the first 6 questions in the first half. The score we have here is 40 points to Jimmy Jolocon and 10 points to Dream School System.
All right, thank you, Thomas. So again, we would like to take a break, a split second, to just recognize a few people who are following this game today. Honorable Field Captain of the IQA, we recognize the presence, all of the students, class students who have gone through this program, current students who are going through this program, the Liberian populace, or anybody other who's not a Liberian that's watching. We say we appreciate the fact that you are supporting these students. We continue with the game by reading question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7. Solve for x. Solve for x. 50 divided by 1 minus 2e raised to the power of minus 0.001x is equal to 1000. I repeat,
Sergeant,
solve for x.
pick up again.
50 divided by 1 minus 2e raised to the power of minus 0.001x is equal to 1000. I repeat, 50 divided by 1 minus 2e. E has a power of minus 0.001x.
Sergeant, I thought you got 4 in the power E. I hear something at 4.
I repeat the question. 50 all divided by 1 minus 2e. E is raising to the power of minus 0.001x is equal to 1000. Or is equal to 1000.
D.
Strength. 10 seconds.
S will be equal to -1 or over 0.001.
X is equal to come again.
S equal to -1 or over 0.001.
I won't take that. Solve for x. 50 divided by 1 minus 2e raised to the power of minus 0.001x or is equal to 1000. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jimmy Jolocon, can you hear me? 6, 7, 8. Jimmy Jolocon, answer. Jimmy Jolocon, answer.
Yeah, S is equals to minus the natural log of parenthesis b minus nothing or 2 it closes or divided by 0 or divided by 0.01 or S is equals to minus the log of nothing or 2 plus alpha or divided by 0.01.
You're wrong. X is equal to 1000, the natural log of 40 over 19. X is equal to 1000, the natural log of 40 over 19. Question is number 8. Question is number 8. A 10 by 10 inch square paper. A 10 by 10 inch square paper is cut into half along the diagonal. One of the halves is cut into half again from the corner to the midpoint. What is the perimeter of one of the smallest triangle? I repeat, a 10 by 10 inch square paper is cut in half along the diagonal. One of the halves is cut into half again from the corner to the midpoint. What is the perimeter of one of the smallest triangle? Your time starts. Jimmy Jolocon. 10 seconds.
Yeah. Take 4 the square root of 5 inches.
4 the square root of 5 inches. Wrong. A 10 by 10 inch square paper is cut in half along the diagonal. One of the half is cut into half again from the corner to the midpoint. What is the perimeter of the smallest triangle?
D.
D.
Yes, take the perimeter to be 10 plus the root of 5 inches.
10 plus the root of 5 inches. I won't take that. It's 10 plus 10 root 2. 10 plus 10 root 2. The diagonal, you have to split it into, you already get 10 from the triangle. So you use that. The diagonal can be split into 2, 5 root 2, 5 root 2. So that only one of the 5 root 2 you're using. So you use that for the formula of the perimeter. Then you have 10 plus 10 root 2. You already have 10 as one of the bases. The question is going to be number 9. Question is number 9. The last question for the first half. Question is number 9. Out of 20 elective courses at a college, I repeat, out of 20 elective courses at a college, ETA plans to enroll in one, which you will choose by throwing a dart. ETA plans to enroll in one, which you will choose by throwing a dart. If 8 of the courses are arts, 9 are sciences, and 3 are both arts and sciences, find the probability that the course ETA choose will have at least one of these 2 attributes. I repeat, out of 20 elective courses at a college, ETA plans to enroll in one, which you will choose by throwing a dart. If 8 of the courses are arts, 9 are sciences, and 3 are both art and sciences, find the probability that the course you choose will have at least one of these 2 attributes. 30 seconds remaining. Ten seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Hey, Jimmy Jolocon. Jimmy Jolocon.
Your answer
Yes.
is
Take 17 or 20.
Wrong. Dream School System. All of 20 elective courses at a college, ETA plans to enroll in one, which you will choose by throwing a dart. If 8 of the courses are arts, 9 are sciences, and 3 are both arts and sciences, what is the probability that the course you choose will have at least one of these 2 attributes? 10 seconds. 1, 2,
D.
3, 4. Answer. Answer.
Take 11 over 20.
The answer is 7 over 10.
11 over 20.
7 over 10. 7 over 10. It's simple. 8 over 20 plus 9 over 20 minus 3 over 20. The interception. The interception.
The phone
You
going,
have
the phone I'm
interception there. Thomas Sabe, over to you for the second half.
So, folks, if you are just
Can you please give us more time? Please give us more
no problem,
time.
take your turn. Be fast, yeah, take your turn. Take your turn. So, folks, if you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful semi-final. This is the
Yeah,
first
that's
game of
right,
the
India.
semi-final for the Marquez Bowl Edition 2024. However, we have two schools, one here from Montserrado County, that's Jimmy Jolocon High
C'est
School,
blanc.
and we have Dreams School System
C'est blanc.
from Grand Bassa County.
I
The
think fighting
score we
for,
have here
I
is
think
40 points to Jimmy
small
Jolocon
down
and 10
for
points
everybody.
to Dreams School System. The matching is 30 points in favor of Jimmy Jolocon. So, folks, if you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome to this wonderful encounter. We take this time to recognize few individuals in the house and also recognize some questions that took part in this program, starting with starting with some of the questions that took part in this program before, and we have uh, on live here. We have with them now in the virtual community. We have him to be Wellington T. Slomo. Wellington T. Slomo was the MVP, not the MVP, but he was the uh, best
Best history
historian in the
student,
whole game,
social studies student.
edition 2023. He was the best historian. Another person we that left lasting mark on the whole game. We have here. mm,
You have Prince Way. My man, don't forget about Prince Way.
we have Prince Way. We have Prince Way. Prince Way is from. He was a former scholar of Jamaica. Prince Way also a mathematician and left a huge impact on the whole game. And going through the list, I think we have that one. That one is from Light International. He's also a mathematician. As you can still remember reporting out when he's a very good mathematician too. So we
Okay, the guys in Grand Bassa, please hurry up. The guys in Grand Bassa, please hurry up. Time is not our friend. Time is not our friend. Time is not our friend.
and we have
So
Sabari and Sue Williams, one of the king of Grand Bazaar, one of the best of Grand Bazaar when it comes to mathematics. Grand Bazaar is proud of Sabari and Sue Williams. He left a long lasting mark on this whole game and one we recognize him also. So these are few of the individuals. Okay, we have Prince Pio. Prince Pio. Prince
I
Pio.
don't Prince Yo
Prince
give
Pio.
you a
That's
because you don't call it
yeah.
Prince Yo because you
No,
give
no. I'm not gonna get my phone. No, we have Prince Pio. I'm not gonna get my phone and maybe email. We have Prince Pio. Prince Pio is one of the greatest historians. Probably he hailed from culture West Africa also. One of the greatest historians. He hailed from culture West Africa. So
Dream
folks will use
system,
this
please
time to
go back to
recognize
studio.
that we say a word dreams wherever you are. This we
All right,
so we
Thomas, let me just chime in quick. The second game of the day, please follow us for the second game of the day, which is going to be immediately after this game. And that game is going to be College of West Africa for Montserrado County versus the Nathaniel Vani Massaquoi High School from Brown County. All right. Let's wait. Let Dream Network set 30 seconds. Let the network set, and then we'll move on to the second half.
so as we await for Dream Network to set, I'm going to announce when the book game started
It's set
10.22
now.
to 10. Is
Oh,
that?
yeah. All right, Thomas. Let's shoot.
Are you hearing me?
Yeah, baby.
All schools,
Yeah.
Both schools. Are you guys hearing me?
Yeah, very bien.
Yeah.
So how much time to wait to proceed? The question is question number one, second half. And I read for both schools. Question number one, second half. And I read, find the dot product of the vectors. Find the dot product of the vectors. U is equal to parenthesis open 2, 3, and V is equal to another parenthesis open 4, minus 1 equals 6.
J,
Find the
J,
dot
J,
product.
J, J, J,
J. You
J.
have 10 seconds, J. You have 10 seconds. 1,
Yeah, the dot product is far,
2. The dot product is far. Speed and accuracy. Speed and accuracy. And you have to understand this topic and okay, what? Teach me. No time to waste. Teach me.
Yeah, very bien. You say vector A or vector U was given 2,3 and vector V was given 4, minus 1. And now to find the dot product of two matrices that are given, let's say for example matrix of vector A is equal to bracket open J, K, and vector B is equal to bracket open H, Y. To find the dot product which is vector AB, it will be equal to J times H plus K times Y. So according to what you gave me 2 and 3, 4 and minus 1, it will be 2 times 4 plus 3 times minus 1. So it will be 2 times 4, 8, 3 times minus 1 give me minus 3. So 8 minus 3 give me positive 5.
See how you make it simple. So use this terminology on the dot product. You just make it simple and put it in the metric. And that give you 10 solid points, 13 points. The question is question number 2. Second half. And I read. Question number 2. And I read. Solve the equation. The long rule of x plus 2 is equal to x. The long rule of x plus 2
J,
Answer 10 seconds.
10 seconds. 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
4,
My answer here for 3 years is nothing else. For x is equal to positive 5. X is equal to positive 5 plus or minus the square root of 17 all divided by 2. I come again. X is equal to 5 plus or minus the square root of 17 all divided by 2.
x is equal to 5 plus or minus the square root of 17 divided by 2. Who am I? Not to ask you to proof.
Yeah, Pedro, you said the long square root of s plus 2 is equal to s. So why do I send the positive 2 and plus? I get a long square root of s plus 2 is equal to s minus 2. So you know there's a radical equation. Squaring both sides I have. Anything is square will be a square root. Automatically, according to inverse law, the square root cancels. So I have s plus 2 will be equal to s minus 2 equals to all square. And according to algebra rule, if you get parenthesis will be a minus b equals to all square is b equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if I use that to expand, I'll get s plus 2 will be equal to s square minus 4m plus 4. So if I prove left hand, I'll be understanding I have a quadratic equation which will be s square minus 5s plus 2 will be equal to 0. And given a quadratic equation, I can use my quadratic formula to find the value of s. If I plug this parameter, which is b will be equal to negative 5, a will be equal to 1, and c will be equal to positive 2. If I plug them directly into the formula, s is equal to minus b plus or minus the long square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, I'll get a value for s, which is s is equal to either positive 5 plus the square root of 2 divided by 2, or s is equal to positive 5 minus the square root of 17 all divided by 2.
18 points. The question is question number 3, second half. And I read for both schools. Two schools just are here, man.
Yeah.
Jimmy Jolocon are here, man.
Yeah, I get you.
And I read. A person walks to a park at a speed of 5 kilometers and return at a speed of 3 kilometers. I read again. A person walks to a park at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour and returns at a speed of 3 kilometers per hour. If the total walking time is 4 hours, what is the distance to the park? What is the distance to the park? If the
J,
total walking
J,
time,
J,
you have
J,
10
J,
seconds.
J, J, J,
You
J,
have 10 seconds. What is the
J.
answer?
Yeah.
1.
32 kilometers. 32 kilometers. 32
32
kilometers.
kilometers. 32 kilometers is wrong. I can't accept that. 32 kilometers is wrong. In school system, you have the remaining time on the clock. A person walks to a park at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour and returns at a speed of 3 kilometers per hour. If the total walking time is 4 hours, what is the distance to the park? You have 45 seconds remaining.
D.
Dreams.
D.
D, what is the answer?
This is 7.5 kilometers.
0.5 kilometers. You are also wrong. The correct and precise answer is 7.5 kilometers. It's 7.5 kilometers. So the first thing, pay attention, please.
Pay attention. Pay attention.
Please.
Don't argue.
Hello.
Pay attention. Go ahead, Thomas.
So the first thing you were told that a person walks to a park at a speed of 5 kilometers and return at a speed of 3 kilometers. So let's say let D be the distance to the park. So you say the time taken to walk to the park, you say the time 1 is equal to D over 5. That is the hour, the time to go. Then the time to return will be equal to D over 3. So you get D over 5 plus D over 3 is equal to 4. And you solve that, your answer will be 7.5 kilometers.
All right.
And that was question number 3. Second half.
Thomas, please make sure, please confirm the score. The score is Jimmy Jolocon 60 points, Dream School System 10 points.
Exactly, sure.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching us, please follow us for the next game of the day. CWA versus Nathaniel Valley Massacre. Questions number 4, second half. Questions number 4. Solve the trigonometric equation in the interval of 0 and 360 for x degree. I repeat, solve the trigonometric equation in the interval 0, 360 degree for x degree. Here's your question. 23 cosecant square x minus 22 cotangent x times cosecant x minus 15 is equal to 0. I repeat, 23 cosecant square x minus 22 cotangent x times cosecant x minus 15 is equal to 0.
Last now.
Solve for the trig equation. 23 cosecant square x minus 22 cotangent x times cosecant x minus 15 is equal to 0. solving. You are here to solve. You are here to solve.
Sì, non riesco a avere il numero. Ok.
Keep solving. Keep solving. We are here to solve. We brought you here to solve. You solve. You got exactly 60 seconds to give an answer. You got exactly 60 seconds to give an answer. Tomo, what you did? I just asked for
You have 30 seconds now. It's still solving.
30 seconds. The last 30 seconds. That's more insufficient. The last 30 seconds.
You have 20 seconds now. 20 seconds remaining.
15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time. X is equal to 48.2 degree or X is equal to 36.9 degree. I don't need to explain anything here. I just what you're doing. You're just
Yes,
school out. The question is going to be number 6. The question is going to be number 6. Decompose a partial fraction. Decompose a partial fraction. 4x squared minus 7x minus 12 all divided by x. Parenthesis opens. X plus 2 it closes. Another parenthesis opens. X minus 3 it closes. I repeat. Decompose a partial fraction. 4x squared minus 7x minus 12 all divided by x. Parenthesis opens. X plus 2 it closes. I can make a denominator x times x plus 2 parenthesis open and closes. And we have another x minus 3. I repeat. 4x squared minus 7x minus 12 all divided by x times x plus 2 times x minus 3. 10 seconds. Almost impossible to solve, eh?
T.
Dreams. Dreams, my answer. 10 seconds.
Yes, Ferdinand, take 2 over S parenthesis will be S plus 2, it closes, plus 1 over 5, or over parenthesis will be S minus 3, it closes.
Come back again. Come back. Talk to me. Come back. Repeat. Repeat the answer.
Yeah, answer is nothing here but 2 or over S parenthesis will be S plus 2, it closes, plus, answer according.
Yeah. Go ahead.
You hear me, Ferdinand?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I said 2 or over S parenthesis will be S plus 2, it closes, plus 1 over 5 or over S minus 3.
Oh, boss, you're breaking my heart today. Oh, boss, you're wrong. Solve the partial fraction. 4x squared minus 7x minus 12, all divided by x times x plus 2 times x minus 3. 10 seconds. J.
My answer is minus 2 over x plus 11 or over 5 parentheses will be s plus 2 parentheses closes plus 1 or over 5 parentheses will be s minus 3 parentheses closes. I come again.
Jolocon, come back one more time, your answer.
Minus 2 over x plus 11 or over 5 parentheses will be s plus 2 parentheses closes plus 1 or over 5 parentheses will be s minus 3 parentheses closes.
Yeah, funny, you're breaking my heart too. Yeah, ba. Yeah. You wrong. Even Sabari know you wrong.
Where is that?
2 over x plus 9 divided by 5 x plus 2 plus 1 divided by 5 x minus 3. Funny is not, there's no minus and there's no 11. It's 2 over x plus 9 or over 5 times x plus 2 plus 1 over 5 x minus 3. Thomas Capet, I gave you these guys.
Folks, we have 3 more questions to come out this game. The score is 50 points to Jolocon and 10 points to DRIMS. 3 more questions to come out this game. The question is question number 7. And I read, the measure of an angle is 15 degrees more than half of its supplement. What is the measure of that angle? I read again. The measure of an angle is 15 degrees more than half of its supplement. What is the measure of that angle?
J.
You have 10 seconds. 1, 2.
Yeah, take 65 degree. 65 degree. 65 degree.
Take 5. You take 5.
Yeah. 65.
You are wrong. You are wrong. Dream School President, you have the remaining time for you.
65
the measure of an angle is 15 degrees more than half of its supplement. What is the measure of the angle? Now you have 45 degrees.
45 seconds.
Sorry, 45 seconds.
D.
Yes, answer.
You have 10 seconds now.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Take 65 degrees. The angle will be 65 degrees.
65 degrees are also wrong. The correct precise answer is 70 degrees.
70 degrees. 70 degrees.
70
Yeah,
degrees.
right.
Where's the mistake?
Come on, let me come
That's
back.
65.
Let me come back. Let me come back. I got one question. I
You
got
got
one
one
more
question for
question.
that?
Yeah, one more question. The question is going to be number 7. Question is number 7. Find the third term in this binomial expansion. Find the third term in this binomial expansion. Parenthesis opens 2x minus 3, parenthesis closes, raised to the 5 power. 2x minus 3 raised to the 5 power. Find the third term. 2x minus 3 raised to the 5 power. Find the third term.
J.
J. 10 seconds.
1, 2,
Yes.
4,
Our answer here
5,
is nothing else but
6, 7,
720x raised to the power 3. 720, I come again, 720x raised to the power 3.
Teach people the meaning.
720x.
Teach.
Yeah, Virgin, from binomial theorem or binomial or expansion, we know that the power of the expansion of the expression can always have more, or let's say one more term, the normal term that is formed within the Pascal triangle. So if I have an expression, parenthesis will be a plus b closely raised to the power n, it will be equals to the sigma of n combination r as n move from 0 to as r move from 0 to n of a raised to the power n minus or of a raised to the power n minus r b raised to the power r. That is the expression.
Save your breath. Hold on, save your breath. The formula is correct. You plug it right in, you do a calculation. Take 10 points. Thomas Tapper, over to you for the last 2 questions.
The score is 70 to 10. How? So, folks, we have 2 more questions to come out this team. And I read. The question is question number 8. And I read. In how many ways can a student select 3 math books and 2 science books on a shelf containing 5 math books and 4 science books? I read again. In how many ways can a student select 3 math books and 2 science books on a shelf? You have 10 seconds. You have 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
40 ways. 40 ways.
40 ways. 40 ways. You are wrong. I can't accept that. You are wrong. You are wrong. 40 ways. You are wrong. You are wrong. 40 ways. Take your time. Dream school saying you have a minute time. In how many ways can a student select 3 math books and 2 science books from a shelf containing 5 math books and 4 science books? Now you have 45 seconds.
T.
D. Correction period.
T.
Correction period. Correction period.
126 ways.
Freestyle.
A dream. You are wrong. Freestyle.
60 ways.
Freestyle.
60 ways.
60 ways.
60 ways.
60 ways. A dream. No dream. Anyway, again. Last question. Last question.
Somebody saying congratulations already to Jimmy Jolocon. They play like say anything happen. We don't get me a man. Yeah, give me man sister for acting door. Seriously. Come on, go ahead.
The question is number last. The last question will come out this thing. And I read. Given that metric A and metric B, if A contains in the first row 1, 2, and 3, in the second row 4, 5, and 6, in the third row 7, 8, and 9, and metric B in the first row 9, 8, and 7, in the second row 6, 5, and 4, and in the third row 3, 2, and 1. Find A times B. Find A times B. I read again. Metric A. In the first row, 1, 2, and 3. Second row, 4, 5, and 6. Third row, 7, 8, and 9. Metric B. First row, 9, 8, 7. Second row, 6, 5, 4. And last row, 3, 2, 1. Find A times
D.
B.
Dreams.
D. Dream school system. Dream school system. D. You have 10 seconds. What is your answer? 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes.
Ini time agora.
5,
Time agora.
6,
In the first row, we get 9, 16, 21. In the second row, we get 24, 25, 24. In the last row, we get 21, 16, and 9.
The boosting was so early. The boosting was so early. You can't boost question like this. If you pass this question like this, you are wrong. There's no way you can solve this question this time. I will take your turn to solve this question. The boosting was so early. Anyway, you are wrong. You have about 20 more seconds remaining. Jimmy Jolocon, you have 20 more seconds remaining. And I read. Given that metric A and B, in the first row 1, 2, 3, second row 4, 5, 6, third row 7, 8, 9. Metric B, first row 9, 8, 7, second row 9, 6, 5, 4, and third row 3, 2, 1. Find A times B. Find A times B. You have 15 seconds now. You have 15 seconds now. You have 10 seconds, Jimmy Jolocon. You have 10 seconds in the countdown.
J.
1.
J.
You have 10 seconds. What's the answer? 1.
In the first row, we get 90, 72, and 90. In the second row, we get 74. Yes, 74.
3, 4, 5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9.
9,
Time.
10. You're wrong. You're wrong. In the first row, it's 30, 24, and 18. The second row, 84, 69, and 54. In the last row, 138, 114, and 90. So, folks, that's how we come to the end of this wonderful match. The score is 70 points to Jimmy Jolocon and 10 points to Dream School System. The margin is 60 points in favor of Jimmy Jolocon.
Okay, so let me go quick. Our Dream School System is about you. You're one of the finest math students we know, obviously. You're still into this. This is now over. You got the third place match to play for on Saturday. So go home, sleep, let us know. For me, I know you will come back. And then you are still in the race for the best math student of the year. This is not the end. Your school has qualified for the Junior Quiz Bowl. I know you are playing it. You have to come back. You have to prove yourself. You have the third place. All right? So this is not the end. At the end of the day, the message here is never a win. The next message here is never a win. The message here is like, I need my fundamentals for wherever I'm going. Wherever you are going, I do not know. But you need your fundamentals for that. Technical field, analytical field, engineering field, that's what matters. That's all that matters. All right? Jimmy Jolocon High School, our MVP from last year, continued to show himself. But last year, when we had people that second year, couldn't shake. Your PD, good. Yeah. Yeah. But anyway, Jimmy Jolocon, welcome to the grand final. Welcome to the grand final. It's going to be on Saturday. Again, we thank your principal, we thank your coordinators, we thank your coaches, and most especially, we thank your parents, your mother. Extend our regards to her. You're doing a great job. You're a fine young man. All of you are fine gentlemen. Keep your head up. Keep up the good work. We'll see you guys on Saturday for the third place and the first place game. To the audience out there, Saturday. To the audience out there, we do not have much time. We are going to go straight into the next game. We have Dream School System versus CWA versus Nathaniel Valley Massacre. CWA versus Nathaniel Valley Massacre. We are going to switch transmission. We will be back in a split second. Thank you for your time. It was a good day today. Thank you.